Hold on, we just found a banger right here. Like 3 minutes, 3 minutes after replay. We finna show you how it's done. Hey, check this shit out though.
Why you bring that money to the club if you ain't throwing it? How you naked on the ground but in person you ain't showing shit? Why you go against the game, you can't be the nigga join it? Ain't tapping when you got the Cali, got your ass extorted. Brand new coupe, I floor it. Brand new bitch, got a hoard. Brand new Glock, I adore it. Have a nigga running like Forrest. VIP, I'm very important. In the hood, I ain't never no tourist.
Yesterday, I dropped an entire YouTube video explaining how dropshipping is dead and that you need to be hybrid branding in 2025 in order to make money online. And instead of me just yapping and talking about it, I'm gonna put my money where my mouth is, and me and my business partner Jason back there, we are going to start a completely new hybrid brand store live for you guys to see on YouTube and scale it from scratch.
We don't run this product like it's nothing. We do this shit on a daily, busting out stores. What
are you eating?
Like it's nothing. Hey, tap in.
Tilapia on the desk is crazy work. But we are starting completely from scratch to prove to you that hybrid branding is the way to go. And if you don't know what hybrid branding is, like I said, literally yesterday I dropped a video explaining what it is. So go ahead and watch out. I have it in the link in the description. But with that being said, the first thing we gotta do is find a product to sell. So me and Jason are about to hop on product research. We're gonna get on Calculator and we're gonna start product researching.
Yeah. Got a bad bitch, play with bars like shit athlete. I'm gonna put that money before my hold is high up. Shit, I can't take no L's, I'd rather take a nigga bitch.
Hold on, we just found a banger right here. Like 3 minutes after replay. We was barely
product researching.
Dog. Hey, tell them about it though real quick.
We was barely product researching. He was product researching for a while. I just got on for like a couple minutes and I found a banger ass fucking product, bro. We finna hybrid brand. I swear, this is a crazy product.
We finna show you how it's done. Hey, check this shit out though.
All right, let me explain to you what the product is. So look. I'm not gonna tell y'all what the product is just yet. I'm gonna save that for a little bit later on in the challenge. But I'm gonna tell you guys what the niche is. So the niche is in the skincare niche. So it's a problem-solving product. It's supposed to help women who have like a bunch of saggy skin all over their face. But this is a perfect product. We can easily add subscriptions to this product and we can hybrid brand this product. So I'm gonna wait till later on tonight. I'm gonna contact the supplier and I'm gonna see if we're gonna be able to hybrid brand this product. Jason is finna go in. He's gonna go ahead and start working on the website and get everything up with the website. And like I said, I wanna be able to get the ads launched by today so that tomorrow we start testing out the product and see if it's good. And I'm gonna message my supplier later on tonight. So we're gonna work on the website, do all that shit. I'm gonna catch you guys once we're done with the website. How's the website coming? You lollygagging.
What do you mean lollygagging?
How's the website coming, bro? Okay, website, okay.
Show the sauce now.
Okay. Sun's going down. That means the suppliers about to start waking up, about to start messaging the suppliers and see if we can hybrid brand this product, and then we getting the ads live, and then we make it shmoney. No hap. They do it.
Nobody. Jump at the show. Had to turn my flow, yeah. Had to change the tone. Had to turn my diamonds, yeah. They smacking head to toe. About what you saying, yeah. Just shut up and let me go. Riding in that beat, you let that talk the truth. Bro, I wrote these bust down watches on me. I got my blinking tongue.
Alright, boys, I ain't gonna lie, we just got done lollygagging and shit like that. But the website is done, everything is done. Now it's just time to talk to the supplier. So right now we're actually in the car. Our boy JJ just put up to the crib, so we're gonna go meet up with JJ. JJ actually called me earlier today and said that he started a brand new store today as well, and he's filming it on his channel. So we decided we just gonna do a collide, and we're gonna probably do like a little challenge to see who can make the most money on both of our hybrid brands, since he's starting a new hybrid brand on his channel as well. But like I said, we about to go get JJ real quick, and he's gonna explain his side of his store and all that type of shit. Let's do it. Oh shit, there goes JJ. Damn, that means that nigga already. I might just steal this nigga's eye. Got that boy JJ in the cut at the crib, you feel me? Hey, tell me what you was telling about that new store. What's up with this new store, bro?
I found me a banger in Calculator, bro. I launched it already, ads 12 p.m., bro.
Wait, you already got ads launched?
Yeah.
That we just finished the website. We gotta do our ads.
Two of y'all, bro.
What do you mean?
Not doing that?
What? So what?
Nah. Solo this shit, bro.
Solo?
40 minutes is all it takes. I'm not trolling.
40 minutes?
Yeah, I'm not trolling.
I ain't gonna lie, we've been lollygagging. I can't lie.
I've been in my store for like, what, 5 minutes? And then y'all ass lollygagging. Look at you.
I watched that bitch though. So 12 a.m. we gonna see, bro.
All right, bet. So JJ already got his store live. Like I said, we finished our website and everything. We gotta talk to the suppliers about hybrid branding tonight, and then all I gotta do is just launch the ads for 12 in the morning tomorrow, and then we're gonna see if our product is a banger product. But anyways, once we launch the ads and everything like that, I'm gonna catch y'all boys.
Yeah, number one up on the chart, yeah, still the one. All we do is just go number one. And I just brought in some ends, little bitches the first of the month.
Alright boys, so I just finished launching the ads. Everything is scheduled to go live tomorrow at 12 a.m. in the morning. So I'm gonna go to sleep. Hopefully we wake up in the morning with a sale. That's like the best case scenario. But honestly, like I've said before, tomorrow's gonna be the first day, so we don't really even need to see a sale on the first day. We really just wanna see the clicks, but if we get a sale, that's dubs. But I wanna go over the quick campaign structure. So I set up an ABO campaign, 10 ad groups, 1 broad, and the rest of the ad groups were all interest. So we're gonna run up that testing strategy and kind of just see where it goes from there. I'm gonna catch you guys in the morning. Let's do it. All right guys, so I'm talking to the supplier about hybrid branding the product, and he said it's going to be green to hybrid brand this product, and he just told me how much it's gonna cost, and it's not that bad. I'm not gonna lie, we're gonna have really, really good margins. Tomorrow I'm gonna get into like the selling price, how much I'm getting it sourced for, all that good shit. But with that being said, I'm going to sleep for real. Alright guys, so it is currently the next morning, which means today is officially day 1 of the ads being ran. It is like, let me see what time it is in the morning real quick. So as you can see, it is almost 11 a.m. and so far, we did not wake up to a sale, but that's okay. You know, it's only the first day. I don't even think the ads have really spent any money. I'm about to go and check on the ads, make sure everything is live. I mean, we have some visitors, so I think the ads are live. As you can see, we are at $0 in sales for today. So the ads are set to spend $100 today since it's the first day. So we're gonna let it ride throughout the day. I'm not really gonna check it or anything like that. I'm really just gonna go about my day, maybe edit a little bit on the website, make shit a little bit better. But we have some visitors. We have like 68 visitors already on the website. So I think the ad is getting a lot of clicks, which is a really, really good sign on the first day. So I'm about to go make breakfast, do all my fucking morning shit, and then we're gonna get on the computer and kind of see what we're looking at so far. Let's do it.
Put a little bit like young, yeah. I bought a yard set up, penny all year like a bird. Inside be back 2 times 2, my money, bitch, all I got. Yeah, I made money, my thought, but for that money I love. I'm shriving it down, yeah, I'm causing the madness. Yeah, I'm fucking the baddest, yeah, I bought me the crabs. I bought me the jammies, yeah, I never need practice. My money gon' double or triple, yeah, your money subtracted.
CPMs and
Oh my gosh.
bro, look at my CPMs, if you can see, in the hundreds, 85, 90, hundreds.
Oh,
like, bro,
shit.
look at the CPC, bro.
Oh, hell nah.
That's
Yeah,
what
you're
I'm saying.
cooked. Yours is cooked.
Bro, it might be the ad account though. Believe it or not, bro, that can happen.
Really? The ad account? You think it's an ad account issue?
Bro, it can happen.
It can,
I'm
yeah.
gonna test on broad.
Okay, so look, this is what we're looking at. I literally just checked mine out today. So far we've spent $50 already. My CPM is at 99, so basically 100. But my CPC is not terrible. It's at $2.79. The CTR is at 3.56, and we've had 8 add to cart so far at $6 per add to cart, bro. Let me tell you, look at this shit. So like, I don't know, it's not doing too bad. It's only the first day and it's only spent $50 so far. So like, I'm really just gonna let this shit cook throughout the day. I'm probably gonna edit up the website a little bit. I did increase my budgets, I'm not gonna lie. I went from $10 each ad group to now $15 each ad group. All right, y'all boys, so as y'all just seen, JJ just called me and just told me that his metrics were fucking shit so far. Our metrics are not that bad. Honestly, I wanted to see better metrics, but we are getting a lot of add to carts and it's only the first day. So it's really, really good. And like I showed y'all, we spent $50 so far. So, like I said, I had the budget at $100 spent for the first day, but I did increase it to $150 total spent. But I don't know why I did that, to be honest. I was a little too excited off of seeing that we had 8 add to carts so far. So I'm gonna reduce it back down to 100. I'm gonna stick to my rules and shit like that. And then I'm gonna just kind of keep you guys updated. I literally just got done cooking some breakfast and shit. And I'm gonna talk to you guys while I eat about what you guys really need to be looking for on the first day with Facebook ads. Boys, we was literally just in the gym, and as we was in the gym, we just got our first ever sell for this product, fucking finally. It's currently like 4 p.m. in the day. We probably spent somewhere around like, I don't know, like $70, $80, but it doesn't matter. We just got a sell on the first day, and you already know what that means. Sell on the first day is always good news. So I'm gonna let the ads keep running, honestly, for the rest of the day. Like I said, I'm not really touching nothing. We've been working on the website pretty much all day as well, and we're just gonna let that bitch run and see. Day 2, we should get more sales since we got a sell on the first day, but honestly, there's not much to be said from here. Good news, we got a sell on the first day, so we're just gonna really see where it goes from here. And yeah, bro, really, that's pretty much it. I was good, you guys. So it is currently the next day. I literally just woke up. And yesterday, as the first day of running ads, we ended off with just 1 sell. Like I said, 1 sell on the first day is not too bad. Obviously, the clicks were a little bit high, but since we got a sell, I'm obviously gonna keep the store running and shit like that. Now today, it is currently noon on Saturday, as you can see. And I woke up this morning and we had no sales. I'm not gonna lie, I was kind of confused because I expected to have at least a sell or 2 on this second day, but no sales. And I just came to the ad account right now to see that one of the payments actually failed. So if we go back to the ad account right now, today the ads literally only got to spend $5 so far, and it basically stopped spending because I guess the card declined the payment, probably for fraud. But I just took care of that. The ads are back active, and as you can see, like I said, we spent $5. Our clicks are looking extremely good. I wish it had ran all throughout the day. We literally just missed out on all of our morning because the ads were not running, but it's active now, so we're gonna see how the ads do for the rest of the Saturday. Saturdays are usually really good. Sales are a lot higher usually on Saturdays, so we're gonna see how it does for the rest of the day. And JJ actually just hit me up earlier this morning, and he literally just showed me that he got his first sell for the store that he's running. So he didn't end up getting any sales on day 1, but he just woke up to a sell on day 2. So we're both even right now. We both got 1 sell, so we're gonna see where we go from here. I'm gonna update you guys on when we have some more sales. I honestly want this shit to kind of take off and get us to doing like 4 to 5 sales so that you guys can see at least in this first episode of running this series. And I'm gonna hit you guys. Alright, y'all guys, it is currently the next few days. I don't think I turned on the camera yesterday to update you guys on the store, but we've gotten a few sales and the results are actually starting to look a lot better now. So I'm gonna show you guys real quick what we're looking at. So today is currently Sunday and we are at 3 orders now for this store for today. So we got a couple orders in the middle of the night, and then we got an order about an hour ago. And then yesterday we also ended off with just 1 order. So as you can see, the volume is starting to pick up. I think it's because we are starting to get a lot of purchases now. So the pixel's starting to get data and understand exactly who our customer is. Honestly, I really hate the testing phase, because in the testing phase, it's just extremely like slow and you just gotta wait. There's not really much you can do. But now that we're finally getting purchases, I can finally start to kind of optimize a little bit and see what I need to do from here. Tomorrow marks an entirely new week, so I am looking forward to this next week. I don't know if I'm gonna keep the video going or end it off right here, because like I said, this period right now in the first testing phase is honestly very slow, and there's just not much to really talk about. But we're gonna see where this shit goes. I'm gonna do my weekly call with the Discord here in like an hour or so, so I'm gonna just knock out some work on the store and kind of just update a few things, and then probably after that, I'm gonna hit you guys back up and see maybe we get a couple more sales for the rest of the night.
Try to run okay, I'm pushing some more weight. I'm so damn high, can't feel my face, I just put up an 8. I'm so damn fly, I'm out of space, Da Vinci with a bait. That Maybach truck got stars inside, I'm run with my drink. I'm blowing out my diamonds froze, that's why them niggas hate. I spin around, I bust it down, let's go on dinner date. I'm sending hits, I run.
Alright guys, so it has been a few boring days since the last time I picked up the camera to update you guys on the store, but we do have an update on the store. We are seeing some consistency now, so let me show you guys what we've been working with over the last couple of days, because we have been starting to see more and more orders. Mind you, we are in the testing phase. The testing phase is always extremely slow, but for this hybrid brand, we've been starting to see some good results back. So let me kind of show you what we're working with. Yesterday we did $214 in sales, 5 orders, and day before yesterday we did $164. But with that being said, we're gonna leave it at that since the store is already doing like what, $200-ish a day. The next episode is when we're gonna try to scale it up and do more, and who knows, maybe the product just might die out and we might have to switch the hybrid brand out. that's just how e-com is, and that's just how it works until we find something that's gonna work consistently, bro. Because this, honestly, these still might just be lucky orders. You never really know. So with that being said, everything is looking good so far as of right now. We're gonna go ahead and work on scaling the product up more, and in the next episode or whatever, you guys are gonna see all of that progression. So if you guys like these type of videos, let me know by commenting down below. Like the video, man. I'll see you guys in the next one.
I got where they coming from me, I got color money, I got everything inside the trap, jumping like a bunny.